Hi guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to the channel and yet another reaction. And well, one of the OGs are back. One of the original bands that got me into this kind of heavier music, Killswitch Engage. What a fucking band. They are back. There's a new album out this year. There's a new track. It is called I Believe. I've seen this popped up a couple of days ago. There was like a little teaser thing going on with the premiere. And I was like, that is going on the channel. 100%. I adore this band. I've seen them live like 3 times with both vocalists. And they are fucking incredible. So yeah, I Believe, the latest track. Jesse and the boys are finally releasing tracks off the album. And well, here we go. Gotta get into this one. See what they've done. That sounds a bit like Parkway though. And Jesse sounding good, man. Some other again. It's very Killswitch. Ooh. What's happening this year, man? Music's fire. Yeah, Jesse's sounding really good. Ho ho ho! That's an old school riff. I need this album now. Oh, so that's trademark Killswitch. Oh, just yes, just yes. That classic old riff from like almost As Daylight Dies era. That's like almost as Daylight Dies era. So fucking good, man. So cool to hear Adam on the cleans again, and Jesse is sounding really good. Like, I'll be honest, I'm always usually Team Howard from the old school days. I know Jesse came along first before anyone says, but Howard is a sexy man. Jesse's a sexy man too. I've seen them both live and they're both very, very good at their own thing. I've always been a Team Howard fan, but he's sounding good, man. You can't deny that. His voice is really good on that track. And, of course, classic cleans from Adam and the ultimate trademark, layers over the top of it, kind of, I can't remember what the actual words called for it, but his voice, that's it. When Adam does the cleans with that kind of clean guitar over it and all the effects going on, that's such a trademark Killswitch sound. It really is. So to hear that again, to hear the old school riffs again, they're kind of going back to their older sound. Yeah, I need this album right now. This is going to be so good. I've been a fan of this band since the beginning. They're one of the OGs. Killswitch Engage, like, you're not into this kind of music if you're not into bands like Killswitch Engage. These guys are like what paved the way for what we have now. So, unbelievable band. Fucking quality track. Good to hear Jesse sounding really good. And yeah, this album could be a bit of a screamer. I'm going to say, I'm going to put it out there. It could be up there. Who knows? I'll have to listen to it. But yeah, there we go. Killswitch Engage with I Believe, the brand new track. What do you think? You a fan? It was sick. Right? I will leave it there, people. I have more things to record. And heartburn, apparently. But yes, I will see you all on the next video. Take care. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.